Hello everyone! Who would have thought that a restaurant could turn potatoes into their signature dish? A potato that costs just 50 cents is sold for 58 yuan at the table, and everyone who tries it thinks it's totally worth it. So how exactly is it made? Let's follow along with the video and find out. Today, I bought a potato for 50 cents and peeled off the skin. After peeling, slice it into 1 centimeter thick pieces. Just like this is fine. Try to cut them as evenly as possible. If your knife skills aren't great, you can use a peeler to slice them thinly. For the parts that are hard to cut, you can use a horizontal cut to slice them. Once all the slices are done, put them in a large bowl and add 3 spoonfuls of salt. The salt will help the potatoes soften quickly. Then add enough water to cover the potato slices. Mix well by hand, then let them soak for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our potato slices have soaked and become especially soft and elastic. Then rinse off the surface salt under running water. Squeeze out the water from the clean potato slices. Use a dry towel to wipe off any remaining moisture on the surface. Next, coat the potato slices evenly with starch, making sure each slice is covered. Take the potato slices coated with starch and roll them up as shown in the video, with one end larger and the other smaller, resembling a trumpet shape. Then, wrap the potato slices one by one, just like forming a rose. In the end, it should look like this. Doesn't it look especially beautiful? Then use a toothpick to secure the bottom so it doesn't come apart. Heat oil in a pot until it's about 60% hot. You can test it by putting in chopsticks. If small bubbles appear, it's ready. Next, add the prepared potato flowers into the oil. First, fry the potato flowers until they hold their shape. Pour hot oil over them to ensure the potatoes are heated evenly. Fry the potato flowers until they are cooked through and the surface is golden and crispy. Once they're done frying, remove them and drain the excess oil. Arrange them on a plate. Add a spoonful of sugar to the pan. Add half a spoonful of white vinegar. Add a spoonful of ketchup, a pinch of salt, an appropriate amount of honey. Stir everything evenly with a spatula until the sugar dissolves. Cook the sauce until it thickens and forms dense little bubbles. Now our sweet and sour sauce is ready. Then pour the sweet and sour sauce evenly over the potato flowers. Wow, it looks absolutely beautiful and so appetizing. Arrange some lettuce leaves around the edge of the plate to make it look even more attractive. Potatoes prepared this way are not only beautiful but also more delicious, golden, crispy, and sweet and sour. They're perfect for entertaining guests. Everyone will praise you as a master chef. If you like my video, remember to like, comment, and share it. Thank you for your support.